In this video I'm going to show you how to make your very first obby game. So first what you want to do is insert like the lava. So you can decorate this as much as you want. I'm going to make it 15 wide and about 50 long. It doesn't need to be that big, but then get a spawner, insert it. If you just wanna, you can make the whole size if you want. You can get rid of the decor if you want. I'll keep it there. Okay, you're now gonna put walls around the spawner. You can make it about. I'm gonna make it about maybe 15 high. You don't want anyone to be escaping from it. Okay, then go put this and we'll call it. I'm just gonna get it to be concrete. And then put it at the other side. And if you wanna put it there, so if you duplicate it and put it there, so then they can't escape that way either. The only way they can go over is past this lava, which way you can just put as this, so then it actually looks like lava. We can make this actually a bit longer. I'll make it 100, which means we have to make this 100 as well. Well, I'll make this like that. Okay. Now we want to script the lava, which is script.parent.touched connect function hit, and then if hit and hit.parent and hit.parent find first child humanoid, then hit.parent.humanoid.health is whatever you want to do. If you want to do it like kind of properly, I would do, if you want to do that, and then minus, if you could do minus 50 or something, but I'm just going to put it at 0 so you die when you hit it. Okay, that should be the lava done. Now you want to add in some obstacle courses. They don't have to be anything special. I'm just going to put in, make sure that's an actual square. Put it there, and then we could say this is like a box or something. There we go, it's a box now. We can just put this into the ground and like that. You can just scatter this around. Okay, so I've made a map and I've made all this. I've added scripts to this. All you need to do is just copy and paste them into everything you want lava. I've added 2 there, 2 there. And then you can add something here if you want, you know, like maybe a reward or something. Or you could just add in another checkpoint. And then allow team change on touch, and then you can add a team change if you want. I'm going to leave it at this because this will be good. If you want to have an advanced version of an obby, tell me in the comments and I'll do that. But yeah, we're just going to test this out. Oh, okay, we spawned the wrong one to be fair. And they're not anchored. Let me fix that. You want to just grab everything, anchor it, and then for this you want to make not neutral, you want this one. So now it should be, you should spawn this one. As you can see here, you spawn this one, and you're just going to jump to each one, of course avoiding. See, I died there. If I die, I should go back to here, and I can try again. Okay, so as you can see, this is the obby, the working obby, all the scripts here if you need them. Oh. Okay, and yeah, that'll be the end of the video. So if you want to see another Tom Builds video, give it a like, and give it a subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.